Yeah, for many years I was an optician, and uh, different things about light really always amazed me. And color is a very strong thing in this universe, and a lot of people I notice don't react to it. It's one of the all that is, or the creator's way of dealing with one of the neatest things in the universe, light. So this is something called color. Other than the shape of an object, the component that flashes a stark impression on my psyche is color, a basic staple of existence, never defined or understood. I am not certain when my elemental sensitivity to a variety of frequencies arose. Maybe 3 years ago, or now it'd be more, maybe more than 10 years ago, as a response to reading and then watching the Celestine prophecies. Excuse me. Ever since that time, when I gaze at my surroundings, especially nature's riot of shades, I experience a heightened sense of perception. Trees, bushes, the sky all take on a spectral aura. Maybe it's the result of experiment with mind-altering substances as a young man. All I can say for sure, when I concentrate on the colors, I experience a rush of adrenaline mixed with a mysterious chemically charged kinetic energy. Greens shout at me, a vibration of hue, communication at a basic level. Blue evokes a dream of calm water lapping against a pier. Red causes me to wince at the beauty. When I'm driving past a tree or bush, glancing at the sky, a pull occurs, clarity about the moment, time, and a place combine and reverberates in my skull. My eyes connect, relate to my surroundings through a mystical process. Yes, we know about the retina and the optic nerve. Yes, there are rods and cones, sensitivity to light, the macula, cornea, vitreous fluid, and we still cannot explain the entire process of vision. So when I speculate about color, how it manifests in this reality we call life, it fills me with awe. We can initiate what light shows us. Some are better than others at rendering what they see. But as in quantum physics, we become part of what we observe, raising a question about the quality of our observations. Photons stream from an object, not from our eyes. What is the medium that the light travels through? It does well in a vacuum. No interference or elements to bend this holy medium. Yet there still must be something else. Do you people out there ever heard of a guy named Wilhelm Reich? He died in the mid-50s, 1950s, in Lewisburg State Penitentiary. Had more degrees than I can count. This guy was friends with Freud, Jung, Tesla, perhaps Einstein. He sought the life's force, the component that enables Marconi's radio to transmit its signal. He called this substance orgone, which he claimed to capture in a specialized organic cube. He was arrested after transporting an organic collector box across state lines. The device was not toxic. It would not explode or spread disease, yet the feds nailed this brilliant sage and threw him in prison where he died. Not an uplifting story. My point, color has many properties which alters perception of our environment outside of ourselves, as well as in the recesses of our minds. These frequencies fine-tune our reaction to the world around us. If you are skeptical, fiddle with the colors on your TV or monitor. Watch a movie with the hue and tint at the opposite settings you usually use. This experiment will change your overall impression of a movie, television program, or entertainer when seen in a different light. Color is a spillage of photons, a representation of the light's properties, a wavefront with endless possibilities. Please do not take this miracle for granted. It permeates every atom of existence with the exception of the ultimate anti-light, known as darkness.